experiments and errors. Purpose. The purpose of this experiment is to practice using several measuring instruments and identifying their error, recording result and doing calculations using proper significant figures, representing result in table and graphs and extracting useful information, identifying the source of errors and estimating the relative error
with the ruler. The first thing we need to do is to look at the divisions that we have in the ruler. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are centimeters, and each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. So the smallest division is 0.1 centimeters or 1 millimeter. So 0.1 centimeter is 1 millimeter. So this is our smallest division, and this is what we call the precision in the ruler. The maximum error in any measurement is going to be plus minus half the smallest division. So in the case of the ruler, the maximum error is going to be plus minus half millimeter. And the reason for that, why it is half a millimeter, because when a certain measurement lies in between, let's say between 1 or between 10 and 11 millimeters, you are going to round to the closest reading. And during this process, basically the maximum error that you can make is plus minus half the smallest division, or plus minus half a millimeter. So let's have a little exercise, and we want to measure the height of this cylinder. So I have to put the edge at the 0, and let's see where is the second edge or the other edge. Now we see the first edge here is at 0, and the other edge is at about 15 millimeters. But you see, it's not exactly 15 millimeters, it's a little bit more than 15 millimeters. I cannot say this is 15.2 because I cannot claim more precision than the precision I have. So I have to say here either 15 or 16. Of course, I'm going to choose 15 because it is closer to 15. So the reading here in this example, I have to record 15, although I know that it is not exactly 15, but I cannot claim more precision than I have. So I'll write 15 plus minus 0.5 millimeters.